Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix your account got closed or locked in Cash App. Alright, let's begin. If your Cash App account has been closed or suspended, don't worry. You can still access your remaining balance and potentially regain full access. The first step is to withdraw any available funds immediately. When an account gets closed, you might see a notification, but Cash App usually allows you to withdraw your balance before the account is fully locked. Next, contact Cash App support. Use a friend or family member's phone if necessary. Tap the profile icon, scroll down to support, and start a chat. Explain your situation clearly and politely ask for a review. Sometimes support will reinstate accounts if no violation occurred. If support cannot restore your account, create a new Cash App account. Make sure you are fully signed out of your old account and use a different phone number. For verification, take a fresh photo of your ID in a well-lit area to avoid duplicate flags and enter all information accurately. So that's basically how you can fix your account got closed or locked in Cash App. That's it for this video. Thanks.